Take care when you get information. We live by information, not by sight. We exist by faith in others. The ear is the side door of the truth, but the front door of lies. The truth is generally seen, rarely heard. She seldom comes in elemental purity, especially from afar. There's always some admixture of the moods of those through whom she has passed. The passions tinge her with their colors wherever they touch her, sometimes favorably, sometimes odiously. She always brings out people's disposition. Therefore, receive her with caution from him that praises, with more caution from him that blames. Pay attention to the intention of the speaker. You should know beforehand on what footing he comes. Let reflection test for falsity and exaggeration.